Hello, I am Nahida. Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a crispy and cheesy snacks that melt in your mouth. Let's get started. Take 2 boiled mashed potatoes in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder and half teaspoon coriander powder. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves and mix everything well. Mash the potatoes smoothly for a perfect texture. Did you know potatoes were the first vegetable grown in space? So technically this cheese snack is out of this world. Stuffing with mozzarella cheese. Take a small mozzarella cheese cube and insert a toothpick through it. Cover it completely with the prepared potato mixture and shape it nicely. This will give us a delicious cheesy center once fried. In a separate bowl, mix 1/3 cup flour with half cup water to make a smooth slurry. Breadcrumb coating was first used in Japan to make dishes like tempura extra crispy. Now we use it for everything crunchy. Dip the potato cheese ball into the slurry, making sure they are fully coated, then roll them in breadcrumbs for that perfect crunchy texture. Want extra crispiness? Coat them twice for a super crunchy bite. Heat oil on medium flame and carefully drop in the coated potato balls. Fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. Here's a fun fact, in some countries potatoes are considered a symbol of good luck, so making this recipe might bring you crispy fortune. Fry on medium heat, too high and they burn, too low and they absorb too much oil. Balance is key. Would you dip this in ketchup, mayo or chili sauce? Let me know in the comments. For a healthier option, try baking them at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes instead of frying. Remove from the oil and place them on tissue paper to absorb excess oil. Just look at the golden crunch and wait for it, the ultimate cheese pull. Try this easy and delicious snacks at home. Let me know in the comments how it turned out. Tag your foodie friends who would love this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe for more cheesy, crispy and delicious recipes.